Hello friends, welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. And in this Python video tutorial series, today you will learn about tuples. So tuple is again one of 4 built-in data types in Python that are used to store collection of data. There are 4 types built in Python, and these are list, set, dictionary, and tuple. So tuple is created using parentheses or tuple constructor. So we can have t like this, or t equals to tuple like this. We can say t equals to parentheses and 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the items in the tuple, and I can print the variable t as well. Tuple are ordered, unchangeable, and it allows duplicate values. So I can have like t equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I can print t as well. There is length function where you can pass a tuple and get length of items in the tuple. Tuple can have any data types in it. So for example, t can be true, 1, 12.95, string, list inside a tuple, and if I print the variable t, we can see that it has boolean, integer, float, string, and a list inside it. There is a type function which tells us what type of a variable is, and if I say type t, it will say tuple, and if I print this, we will see that it is a type of class tuple. In order to access tuple items, we can use square bracket. So when I say t square bracket 0, it will get us the 0th item. There is functionality to unpack tuple item. So for example, let's say 1, 2, and 3 equals to t. And let me print it as well. Print 1, 2, and 3. So I wrote the. So when I do it, it say that too many values to unpack. So if I print t first, we see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements, and we are unpacking into 3 values, so it doesn't work. So if I say star against the last value, and if I do it, you'll see that the first value is true, the second value is 1, and the remaining value is a list of values inside the tuple. And for example, if I use star here, you'll see the difference here as well. So the first value is true, the second value is list of values except the last value, and the variable there is the last value. So I hope you understand this unpack concept on tuple. You can join 2 tuple as well. So let's say t1 equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, and t2 equals to 5, 6, 7, 8. You can use addition t1 plus t2 and get the joined tuple. Since tuple are immutable, you cannot add values into tuple, but what you can do is that, let's say t equals to 1, 2, 3, and 4. There is a workaround. Let's say l equals to list t, then you can have l dot append 5, and then you can convert that into a tuple using a constructor tuple, and now if I print t, we can have the element added into the tuple. So in this way, by converting tuple into list, you can update tuple. Since tuple are unmutable, this is a workaround. There are two methods associated in tuple, count and index. So you can use count on tuple to count the occurrences of a value in a tuple like this, and if a value doesn't exist, it will send 0 occurrences. You can use index to get the index of a particular value. So for example, t index 4 will return us 3 because 4 is at the third location, 0, 1, 2 and 3. If item doesn't exist, it will throw an value error that the value not in tuple. So when you use index, make sure you use except value error. So these are the few things associated with set, and I hope that you have gained knowledge from this video, and if you do so, please consider subscribing to my channel. It helps. Thank you for watching. Peace.